So today, 32 Nigerians were caught in Kaswa. Guys, I think Nigerians are back again committing crimes. You know, you and I know it's the normal thing for Nigerians committing crimes here in Ghana. It's not very news, you know. When you hear a Nigerian was arrested by Ghana police for this, for that, for this, for that, it's not a new thing anymore to us Nigerians living in Ghana, and likewise to Ghanaians, because they've already made it like a job in Ghana, and the Ghanaians are saying no to all this rubbish coming from them, okay? The thieves in Ghana is enough for them. So you as a foreigner cannot come here, you know, and add up to the crimes they are already having in their country. All right. So today, 32 Nigerians were caught in Kaswa. All right. See, I don't want to say a word. Let me read from the news, okay? So this news is from Sam George, okay? Kudos to team at the CSA Ghana. This down, another massive blow has been struck against cybercrime in Ghana. A joint operation between the authority and the national security resulted in the arrest of 32 Nigerians operating a romance scam syndicate in Kaswa, Tuba. We will continue to support the authority in its effort to do more as we make Ghana an unattractive destination for cyber crimes for God and country. Oh my God. I love the fact that he added God into his statement. So this is it. This is exactly what we have been telling you guys. Okay, if you are in Ghana, that garment of robbery, bad energy, I beg, remove them and drop them for Nigeria before you come here. Look at the way you're disgracing yourself. Now, are you gonna come here and say, it's not only Nigerians doing all these things in Ghana, Ghanaians too are doing it? Okay, did we tell you that Ghanaians doing all these things are not captured also? Do you think it's only Nigerians? See, all these things, they happen to anybody. Oh, here in Ghana, they know they look face. If you like, get money. If you like, no get money. So long as you are being found doing one thing that is contrary to the law of Ghana, they will strike you down and you're going to serve the punishment. Okay, let's take an example. Look at Nana Agrada. She has been there doing her rubbish for so many years. Now, where is she? They lock her up with all her money, with her mansions that she is having. They lock her up. She have nowhere to run to with her wealth and everything. If you look at her now, her bleaching body is already fading and she have nothing to do about it. She's going to be there for 15 years. Look at the case of this Nigerian rich man that came to Ghana to show Buga. What did they do to him? No be national security for Ghana here, catch him. Now the same thing now. So if you are planning to come to Ghana to do all these kind of things, you better change location because they don't tolerate. You heard what Sam George said now.